Hey Meta, start a video. So recently, a client gave me the opportunity to try out these Meta glasses. Now, whenever I first got these, I felt like James Bond, but what are my thoughts a month later? So here's 3 things that make me feel like a secret agent whenever I have these on. Number 1, these things have speakers in them, but they let you hear everything around you. The craziest part is no one can hear what you're listening to either. So the sound coming from these glasses, they've got more of a warm tone, like some open ear headphones you might have tried, and I really like that. I'm the type of person who will prioritize AirPlay or my surround sound system at home over headphones. Whenever I work out, I just want to play it out loud. It's really got that warmth. Now, I did show some people these headphones, and it's a different experience right off the bat. You can kind of feel it vibrate, and that might freak out a couple people, but I think it just makes it a little more immersive, honestly. And I will say, these things do get pretty loud. Also, with the sounds, as soon as you put on the glasses, it's got like a nice little hum to it, and then every time you ask, "Hey Meta," you hear another sound. So I love the feedback. Now, moving on to number 2, the most secret agent part about these is being able to just simply take a picture or a video. And I recently found out you can just simply say, "Hey Meta, take a picture." So as you can see, the image quality on these is pretty solid, and really going from bright to dark, it's really not having that hard of a time with it. Oof, I need an ND filter. We're gonna have to crank that. Already outside, wearing glasses anyway, so why not have a camera at my disposal? I'm now going to be able to get some of the best behind the scenes, and I can't wait to show you guys. This is just opening up the door to so many different possibilities. Got to get that audio sync, of course. Now I can just have BTS of BTS, you know, like the options are just limitless, guys.
Do I need to format this card?
Yeah. Shout out to S-Class for letting me borrow these. You're a real one. Y'all be the test of this quality. What do y'all think? Put it in the comments down below. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that like button. Now, you can simply take a picture without configuring anything on your phone, but if you do want to take a video, it is going to stop, and you've got a few different options for setting your limit. Hopping into the app, I'm going to go over to my settings, camera, video length, and you can do 15, 30, 60. 60 is what I started at, but I quickly realized, kind of like with TikTok, just go for the highest. You can always stop it early. Also, while we're here in the app, you'll see as soon as you hop in and you want to download your media, because they are stored on the glasses, simply hit import. My phone storage is full. Go figure. Just gonna simply delete a few apps. Y'all know how it is. Some of the instances I've loved recording videos with these things is like skateboarding with my friends. Now, one thing right off the bat that the Meta glasses like to show you in the tutorial is saying, "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?" It didn't take the picture. I found this part's a little finicky. "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?" Black and brown mug in front of a diffused white, wow, it is really hard to talk while you're hearing someone speak to you. So you've got a few different controls on these bad boys. One tap, start a picture, one hold to start a video, and then swipe controls for audio, tap to pause, double tap to skip, and triple tap to go back. You know, there's a lot of moments where you wish you could get to your phone quicker, but you know, what's quicker than saying, "Hey Meta, take a picture." Now, number 3, the last point that I love using these for, and you can technically just use these with AirPods, it's just a lot cooler with these. I use ChatGPT with these, and that really makes me feel like Iron Man. Recently, I've been driving without much music, and so I'm already thinking about different ideas, and so I'll quickly go into ChatGPT with these on because, you know, it's already super sunny out in Myrtle Beach. One of my favorite things with ChatGPT is role-playing. Not like that, practicing interviews, sales pitches, go through the objections and already know maybe what my client might say. I'll even reverse the role play where I'll be the client and then it'll come up with some new ideas. I just kind of work out my ideas with ChatGPT while leaving on the glasses, and it kind of feels a little safer than having AirPods in. It was really, really good at going step by step, telling me how to get there, even though I wasn't visually being able to see what it was saying. I've been practicing improv, even with some friends, on ChatGPT. I want to learn how to be a better actor so I can therefore be a better director. Maybe soon I can be the new 007. But we'll get into ChatGPT in a separate video. And even if you don't want to use ChatGPT, I can simply ask Meta simple things like, hey Meta, what is 553 times 754?
553 times 754 equals
417,062. Overall, the build quality on these are just solid. They look really, really cool, and some people I've been around didn't even know that they were smart glasses, so that says a lot. They're so sleek. They come with this nice case, and you see it lights up. It's got a USB on the bottom, and whenever you throw it in, it just starts charging. So that's been my experience with the Ray-Bans. I think if you're on the cusp of should I do it, should I not do it, if you're a tech enthusiast and you love taking pictures and you just want like a little AI assistant really quick, I promise these are worth it and you won't regret it. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's been a while. I actually took about a year hiatus, but I appreciate y'all making it this far to the video. Please hit that like button. Comment down below maybe some things you want to see with the Meta glasses, any other videos you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out a lot. Cheers. Hey Meta, stop listening. Thanks guys.